Floods can be life-threatening, but with the right preparation, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Here's a heartfelt guide to help you stay safe during these challenging times. Knowledge is power. Keep your ears tuned to local news and weather updates. Heed official warnings and evacuation orders. They're there to keep you safe. Remember, staying informed is the first step to ensuring your family's safety. Imagine having everything you need at your fingertips when disaster strikes. Gather essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, medications, and important documents. Store them in a waterproof bag, ready to go at a moment's notice. Your preparedness could make all the difference. Floodwaters may seem inviting, but they can be deceptive and dangerous. Never walk, swim, or drive through flooded areas. Even shallow water can hide strong currents that can sweep you away. Your safety is worth more than a moment's curiosity. If you live in a flood-prone area, think ahead. Identify a safe location where you can go during an emergency. Staying with family or neighbors can provide comfort and security during uncertain times. Together, we can face the storm. Floodwaters can carry hidden dangers, including infections. Prioritize your health, drink clean water, and avoid contact with contaminated water. Your well-being is vital for both you and your loved ones. Remember, preparation and awareness are our best allies in the face of natural disasters. Share this message to help others stay safe during floods. Together, let's look out for one another. Stay alert, stay safe, and hold your loved ones close.